Welcome to Pocket Winner Lockpicking and Lock Sport. Today I'm going to show you a very lovely lock. I got this lock from Starrylock in the package he just sent me. I was so excited about the lockout tag out locks he'd sent me. I forgot to show you this one. Check this beauty out. Look at that. Isn't it gorgeous? It's a Corbin, it's a pin tumbler, made in USA. Look at that extrusion. Isn't that a wonderful design? I love this extrusion. It reminds me of, that building in America that I think it's called the Chrysler Building. American friends will let us know in the comments. This reminds me of the Art Deco period. What a gorgeous lock. So I'm going to try and pick this for Stock Lock Sunday. Now I haven't picked this yet. I've only just got this out the package. So we're going to go bottom of the keyway with a homebrew tension tool. We've got some warding here and some more warding here. So we're going to try and tuck in there. Try not to take up too much space in the keyway. Going to go in with the SSDEV from Noctis Motors. Thank you very much. This is a lovely, lovely lock. That's 2 clicks. Little click there. This is a beautiful looking lock. Thank you so much for sending this to me, Starrylock. I was not expecting this. This will look lovely next to the 245, 247 old Lockwoods I've got. Oh, that just moved the tension wrench a heap. That just took it out. Let's try again. There's not a whole lot of room here. That upper warding is really protecting that keyway. And this is the thinnest pick I've got, and it's struggling. It's just fighting with that tension wrench, and it's hardly in there at all. And it keeps moving it. Look at that, it keeps slipping. Oh, no control. Alright, let's try something else. Let's go top of the keyway. Try and work off this piece of warding. It's like I can feel the pins sliding up into the chamber. I might try me does this. Just takes up your tension wrench. Doesn't want to hold it. Okay. So if you can't get a tension wrench to stay in, you can't pick it. Right, let's try that one. This is a little fighter. Thanks so much for sending this to me, Starrylock. This is a lot of fun trying to work out how to pick this little one. This doesn't want to be picked. A lot of dropping of the pins happening here. No, it's not happening. The wooding just wants to grab the pick. And this is the thinnest pick I have. This little Corbin's a fighter. I wonder if Starrylock picked this and how'd he go? So the middle pin feels really low. It's really difficult to get under it. Doesn't want to go. Everything's just grabbing. I thought this would be a quick little pick for you, and we've got a little fighter on our hands here. Right, wow. When you've got a fight, get the rake out and see what happens. This is a little homebrew worm. This doesn't fit in either because of the water. Let's try and give a little encouragement. Probably just raking boarding. Trying to get right up in there. Wow, this must have some high pins or something that's keeping me out. It's definitely that third pin, you can't get under it. Oh, yeah. Oh. Just taking out my SSDEV. Oh, I can't believe it. Wow. Beaten by a little Corbin. Little pin tumbler. There you have it. Made in USA. Tough little fighter. That's not getting picked today. That wants to stay closed. Well, check this out. Look at all the crud. All of that has come off this while I've tried to pick it. So that is my pick tip. Wow. That's a learning curve. Thanks for watching. Stay legal. Temptation is everywhere.